So the final piece of the puzzle for this little rig out we've made of the Sony A6300 is we wanted a monitor to go with this rig out. Now we've got it kitted out with the SmallRig A50 monitor. It's a 5.5 inch touchscreen, full HD, and again, I'll leave the link below for this one. You can also add LUTs to it, etc. We'll go into it in a bit more detail as we start to use it, but we've got that married up onto a quick release shoe sort of affair by SmallRig. It just clicks on, super simple. Then we've got an adjustable SmallRig cold shoe adapter. I will try and link all these in the description as well. This retails again for less than £150. I've had one of these before and they are a great bit of kit. We power them off these sort of batteries, which is a MP5970. This one I've had for a while. It's USB rechargeable. It's pretty nifty. I did drop it a couple of times, but it's been fixed and yeah, it still works fine. So yeah, we're kitted out the whole rig and it's come in at a bargain price. Let me just work all that out for you. The running total, I'll add it all up. I'll put it on the screen right now for you, but we're looking at less than £650 to get something that we can use to make money. Now I said we're going to keep this under budget at under $1,000, £1,000, whatever. Oh, I didn't add on that. Yes, we've spent, I think I've spent about £700 so far on all this equipment you see in front of me, plus a gimbal, plus some other little bits and bobs, like, you know, like I said, memory cards, etc. And the final piece of the puzzle, which we're going to get into in the next video, is the computer or laptop I would suggest most people purchase in 2025 to go for your editing. Nothing extreme. Like I said, we're starting off small, then we're going to build up as we go along, but we'll try to keep it all under £1,000. And I've already got the laptop. I'm going to show you that in the next video, and things I would do to it to make it work perfectly for me, and I will show you how to do it for yourself as well. But yeah, stick around for that one. That one's coming in a few days as well. The final piece of the puzzle is the editor. I've already got computers, obviously, but like I said, we're trying to do a series of keeping everything under £1,000. I think that's doable for most people to either borrow off someone or the parents, or, you know what I mean, sort of like get that money together to get themselves out working and making the money back, which is going to be simple. Trust me, it's pretty simple to make money with a camera. Okay, see you in the next video, guys.